and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd show you the wolf mural all completed. So this was from Fansells. This is one of the newer items that they've got, and there's a few different ones, but it's basically like on a piece of leather or PVC. I'm thinking more than leather. And it is a partial because it is more special drills. In fact, I think they're all special drills. Even these white ones are pearlescent and these blue ones are pearlescent, a bit like a AB type coating on them. And then we've got the gemstones in the likes of the silver and the yellow. And I have put the little clips on, so they were quite easy. There was a space to put them, and I just pinched them together with my finger. And that was enough to grab it, so you can choose to hang that up if you want. Diamonds left over wise, loads. As always, I've not found a problem. They are still sort of in the packets, and then I've just tipped them into a baggie. I do tend to do these by colour, so I tend to snip open the bag, tip it open, do all of them. But then I did put the baggie back in just in case I missed any. I knew what sort of number it was that I needed to be able to fill in the number on here. So loads of red, yellow, blue, even these bigger ones. I've probably got enough to do it again. The big yellow ones, probably the same, very close to having enough to do it again. Loads of this one that goes around the edge, loads more of the silver, and loads more of the white pearls. So there was no problems in running out of any. There's not a lot of overhang sticky, so with it being a partial, they only put the glue where it's needed. There is the odd place when you have quite a big grouping where you might feel the glue, but not a lot of overhang at all. Some companies you tend to find that you'll get overhang all around here and all around these edges. I don't find that there is that. But I think he looks good. Just hold him up so you can see him shimmer. Look at his eyes. Ooh, looks mean. Oh, I've hit my back wall. I've hit my pegboard trying to get to the end of him. But yeah, and then these little pincer grip things. And then on the back, I still have got a little bit of an impression of the tray from when I unboxed it, but it's pretty much gone flat now. I say there's still a little bit of an impression, but it's this bit that you want to see, and there's no impressions on the front, so I'm happy with that. I think he looks, yeah, he looks like he's angry a little bit. Maybe he is. Maybe he doesn't want to be all shiny and blingy. But yeah, I like to show the completed projects when they're done, just in case somebody is thinking of buying something but wants to see, you know, the image quality when it's finished, or maybe you're new to diamond painting and want to see what sort of effect you get from any of these. But you're not going to need a very heavy hanging with this either. It's quite light in the grand scheme of things. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.